In this video, you will learn how to add payment plan to any invoice on Blixo in just a few easy steps, including draft, outstanding, past due, and broken promise. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Invoices section. Locate the invoice to which you wish to add a payment plan. It can be in any status, including draft, outstanding, past due, or overdue. For this demonstration, I'll use an invoice from the Outstanding section as an example. Click on the invoice ID of your chosen invoice. This will bring you to the Invoice Details page. From there, click the More button and select Add Payment Plan. The Add Payment Plan screen will then appear. While I won't delve into the specifics of payment plans or each field in this video, I'll demonstrate by choosing the Custom option. Let's fill out the necessary information and then click the Submit button to see how it works. Success! The payment plan has been successfully added to the invoice. Congratulations! You've just added a payment plan to a specific invoice in a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.